Georgia is a vast state with so much to offer. So today, I'm going to quickly run through the 18 prominent lakes of this great state. First up is Lake Hartwell, which is a large man-made reservoir on the Georgia and South Carolina border, with a surface area of over 56,000 acres. The lake is fed by the Savannah, Seneca, Tugaloo, and Choga rivers. It was also created by the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers in the 1950s, like many other lakes in the state as well. They built it for hydroelectric power, flood control, recreation, and other purposes. Next up, in the mountains of North Georgia is Nottely Lake. Located in the Chatuge National Forest, it's also a popular fishing and recreational destination for visitors and locals alike. Third, also in North Georgia, is Rabun Lake, which is a reservoir located in Rabun County. The lake was created between 1915 and 1925 when the Tallulah River was dammed near Lakemont, Georgia. This lake is also owned by the Georgia Power Company to generate hydroelectric energy. Next is Lake Blackshear, which is a 7,500-acre reservoir on the southern portion of Georgia, located on the Flint River. And it is the only lake in Georgia that's entirely within a state park. The lake is named after the Blackshear family, who are prominent local landowners. It provides several islands, including an 18-acre island just south of the dam. On the border of Georgia and Florida, Lake Seminole is a reservoir created in 1957 as part of the Chattahoochee-Flint River Basin Project, which is a joint effort by 3 different states. The lake has a shoreline of 376 miles. It's known for its largemouth bass and crappie. The lake is also popular for its scenic views and wildlife, such as birds, alligators, turtles, and various waterfowl. Next up is Lake Sinclair, located in central Georgia near Milledgeville. The lake is fed by the Oconee River and is bordered by Baldwin, Hancock, and Putnam counties. And number 7 is Lake Tobesofkee, located in Bibb County near Macon, which is the heart of Georgia. It was created in the 1960s to control flooding and is one of Georgia's most popular recreational lakes. Next up is a border lake on the Alabama-Georgia line. West Point Lake is a 25,000-acre reservoir located on the Chattahoochee River. It was created in the 1960s to provide flood control, hydroelectric power, and water storage to aid the navigation of the lower Chattahoochee. Richard B. Russell Lake is a reservoir on the Savannah River in Elbert and Hart counties in northeast Georgia. It is named after Richard Russell Jr., a former U.S. Senator from Georgia. The lake was created in the early 1980s and has a surface area of 26,650 acres and is one of the most popular fishing and recreation spots in the area. And next up is Jackson Lake, which is one of Georgia's smaller lakes with about 4,750 acres and 135 miles of shoreline. It's located in Morgan and Jasper counties on the Ocmulgee River, just downstream from the Oconee River. It's named for a former governor of Georgia, James Jackson. Lake Oconee is the 4th largest lake in Georgia, being 19,000 acres. It is located in the northeastern Georgia region, just south of Athens. It's a popular destination for fishing, swimming, and boating. The lake is fed by the Oconee River and is surrounded by several small towns and communities. You'll also find many marinas, boat ramps, and campgrounds on the lake. Primarily fed by the Toccoa River, Blue Ridge Lake is one of the more beautiful lakes in the state, situated in Fannin County, surrounded by the Blue Ridge Mountains. Near LJ, Carter's Lake is located in the Blue Ridge Mountains of northwest Georgia. It is the deepest and most secluded of the Georgia reservoir lakes, making it a great spot for fishing, boating, and swimming. The lake is also known for its beautiful mountain views and some of the best camping in the state. It has many different species of fish, including bass, catfish, and trout. Carter's Lake is a great destination for nature lovers and outdoor adventures. Located in the Okefenokee Swamp, which is one of Georgia's 7 natural wonders, Okefenokee Lake is a shallow lake filled with a variety of wildlife, including alligators, turtles, birds, and fish. The lake is surrounded by a mix of cypress swamps, sawgrass marshes, and wet prairies. Next up is the largest lake in Georgia. Lake Lanier is a large reservoir created by the completion of the Buford Dam in 1956, and it serves as the main source of water for the metro Atlanta area. The lake is 38,000 acres in size and offers recreational activities such as fishing, boating, camping, swimming, and more. It also has home to several islands, including Lake Lanier Island, which provides private residence, resorts, and a water park. Located about 30 miles northwest of Atlanta, Lake Allatoona is another great place with many public access points and a public beach. Along with the great boating and fishing, the lake is fed by the Etowah River, which is also a major source of hydroelectric power for the region. It is also part of the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers Allatoona Lake project, which was built to control floods, provide recreation, and generate hydroelectric power. Lake Burton near Clarksville in Habersham, Georgia. The lake is surrounded by lush forests and many lake homes, along with many coves and inlets that makes for great exploring. And to save my personal favorite for last is Lake Chatuge in Hiawassee, Georgia. Located in the Appalachian Mountains of western North Carolina and northern Georgia, this scenic lake is surrounded by mountains. It has a public beach, campsites, and many islands. I highly recommend this one. And that's it, the 18 prominent lakes of Georgia. Hope this video helped in any way, and if you want to see a cool kayak adventure of me and my buddies at Lake Chatuge, check it out here. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day.